Now, Kenya Airways pilots should resume duty any time now, as they have been urged to do so by the union leadership. However, they have been asked to assist KQ in crewing flights as soon as possible if they are well rested. Now, this notice to the pilots by the Kenya Airline Pilots Association General Secretary Captain Paul Gichinga indicates that KQ's management is satisfactorily addressing the concerns raised regarding safety and fatigue. Further, Gichinga has announced that the new CBA was signed this afternoon and now awaits its official registration by the Industrial Court, which should happen in the coming days. The pilots are to be given details of the changes in the document next week.